It's a beautiful day to be alive. I thought of filming a what I eat in a day vlog today, but I'm sick and I don't know whether it's a good time to film such a vlog. Also, I have missed the gym today, so the food that I normally would eat, it is going to vary slightly, but I still think of vlogging today. Maybe I can do a vlog of something like a sick day in my life. This is my breakfast for today. I'm having some scrambled eggs which is made by my husband, and I'm having some black coffee which I just made for myself. Now I'm getting a migraine. That's why I'm going to give myself a hot oil massage. I'll give myself a nice jumpy in the head so that I get a little blood circulation going right here and my headache will go. Let's go ahead for some self-pampering. I'm gonna use some castor oil and olive oil. I'll add them both together and heat it, and after it's heated I'm gonna add some lavender essential oil to it for some extra relaxation. I'm heating up my oil using a double boiler method. I've already made a video on hot oil treatment and I'll be linking it up in the I button so that you can watch it. Like you can see, I don't have the flame on. The water has already been boiled and it's hot. I'm just placing my oil in the hot water. Okay, my champy is done and I'm gonna have this sort of hair throughout the rest of the video because I'm not going out anywhere today and I want the oil to rest on my hair for a day. I'll shampoo it tomorrow, but I wouldn't recommend you to have the oil on your hair for a very long time if you're going out because it may attract a lot of dust and that's bad for your hair. By the end of the champy, my migraine has already half gone. The massage really helps, plus the fragrance of the essential oil was also very helpful. This is a tip from my side in case you also have a migraine. I'm back from the shower and before I put on my face mask, I'm going to scrub my face. I'm using the Neutrogena face scrub because it's a foaming face scrub, so it also works as a face wash. Okay, I have used the face scrub. Now I'm going to use this face mask. It's from Root Mantra and it's the Haldi Chandan face pack. This doesn't exactly do much for the skin, but I really like the way it smells. It has a nice earthy sort of a smell. Let's put it on. Some of you may find the smell to be too strong. I personally don't mind it. I rather find it to be really relaxing. Now after I have my face mask on, I'm going to use a steamer. I'm pouring some water into it. You can also add some essential oils if you want. Eucalyptus works really well. This one works very well for a stuffed nose, which you get when you are sick or you have cold. Also, one thing I can notice is my migraine is almost gone now and my throat and my nose feels quite clear. The steam has actually helped me a lot. I'm not in a mood to do a complete skincare routine, but I need to add some moisture to my face. So I'm gonna use this coffee gel from Fabia because this has a nice smell. It smells like coffee. Like you can see, I'm mostly using products which have a nice smell because I want this day to be very relaxing for me, which can calm down my senses. Now I'm feeling really hungry. Also, it's time for lunch. I'm gonna make myself some chili paneer. Seems like my food is almost ready. Let's have it. delicious. If you want me to make a video on this recipe along with the exact ingredients and macros, do let me know. I would love to do it for you. Also, I think I'm going to end the vlog now because I don't feel sick anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's going to motivate me to take my work forward and make more such videos and vlogs for you all. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I keep sharing lots of Instagram stories throughout the day about whatever I'm doing, what I'm eating and stuff, just like a vlog. Also, I want to thank you guys. Even though I was sick and home alone, I did not feel lonely at all. All the time when I was vlogging, I felt as if you guys were with me. Thanks for watching this video. Also, if you have come until this end, then thank you so much. I love you.